Good morning, fellow traders. This is Lola Claire again with another trade. Today is October 24th, 2019, and today I'm going to move away from DAS platform to the Webull platform. So I traded two stocks today, APOP and PDSB, and I shorted both stocks. So we're going to be watching this video so you can see actually how these trades played out. Now I'm trading on paper trading, and with Webull, if you have over $2,000 in equity, you can short stocks and you can get leverage. So I saw APOP popping this morning. I saw a bullish pennant form, and I was waiting for it to hit the resistance line and then short it on the way down, because I wanted to show you shorting here on Webull. One thing to point out for beginner traders, I encourage you to paper trade before you actually put your money in and possibly lose it. And Webull offers paper trading, and it is actually on par with my real brokerage account. Time and sales is exactly the same. There's no delay. You do have your technical analysis here, and I do have another video out there with a little tutorial on Webull. But here I'm going to actually do some trades. What I have here is my Fibonacci. The MA is the technical analysis being used, but I think I took that out and changed it to my VWAP. But for right now, I'm just looking at it. I'm seeing this stock trending down. This is a nice downtrend. But for some reason, this stock actually popped this morning. There was no current news on it, though. The last news on it was August 13th. They were just doing their second quarter report. So I didn't see any news on it. Had a nice bullish pennant. I knew that even though it may pop, there is a big possibility that it will come down. But where it will go, I'm not sure. So I'm holding to see the resistance level hit, whatever it is. So time and sales are moving. I'm still waiting for this stock to move. And just want to point out that trading is a patience game. If you don't like sitting and waiting, then you're not gonna enjoy trading. But if you love trading, even here, it's pretty exciting, because you can just watch a stock and see, you know, what the possibilities are, how this stock moves, seeing the struggle between buyers and sellers, even watching the manipulation in the market, as you will see on PDSB. So I'm noticing that there is a higher support resistance level, so I'm putting my line there, even though I'm not 100% sure that it will hit there. I don't think it will, because this stock had already popped pre-market and it was still popping. So I'm just looking for a nice short down. So I'm just waiting for this thing to move. And I'm just holding. Okay, while we're waiting, just a little tip here. When you're paper trading, it's best to use the dollar figure you have in your equity, and not to use the $1 million, that they give you here, because you want to get a realistic understanding of what your money can do in the market. So if you have $5,000 or $2,000 or $10,000, it's best to use that figure to trade with. Now here I found PDSB, and I'm popping it in here to see if it's good to short the stock. Now this stock has been trending down for days, and it came out with a red candle right there. But this is what I was talking about with manipulation. This is a weak stock, and that's why I jump in. But as usual, I'm jumping in with a small share size. I'm only jumping in with 500 shares and expecting it to come down. But unfortunately, this stock actually went a little higher than I thought it would be. But I want you to see where it actually went to. It's pretty exciting. And the end of this video is also pretty exciting. I want you to see what happened. So we're still waiting for this stock to turn around. And like I said, this morning has been pretty slow. I don't think I'll be trading in my real account today, because I think I've taken the movers and showing you on paper trading. And I just wanted to say again, I do have a video out there. I get my stocks from Finviz, and I have the elite version. It's pretty cheap. It's just a little over $200 for the year, and I've not seen anything, even the most expensive ones, match up to it. So I got a pop from the top gainers and unusual volume list, and PDSB also. And even though I'm negative here, $55, that's fine. I know what this stock is going to do, but like I said, there are manipulations in the market, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Look at this stock. It's moving up, and I want you to see where it actually hits. Look at that right there, right on my fib line. So now I'm very happy to say that, yep, this stock had hit. It had gone through this line, hit twice, could not hit again, but now it did. So I'm taking 500 more shares, and I'm shorting that. So now I should be in with 1,000 shares, but I'm noticing that it's still not filled yet. Oh, there it is. It's filled, but yeah, if you notice, it's still only 500 shares there. So there's a delay in Webull. I'm not sure why. And now after clicking it, then it populates with the 1,000 shares. So I'm up $15. My average price is $3.95. And this stock is at now $3.88. I'm up $75, but I'm not taking it because I know that this stock is bearish now, and I'm waiting for it to drop. So I'm holding. And sometimes you may be tempted to just take the money, but that's one of the reasons why you don't really watch your dollars. You don't watch your equity. Watch the price action, because you may take, that $62 and miss out on making 3 times that much. So I'm looking at PDSB again and trying to give you a better view on the daily. And you can slide, just hold and drag the screen, and you can get different time frames. I'm showing you the MA line, but I don't use MA, I use VWAP, so you'll see me change that in a bit. It's still hitting and sitting on that fib line, so I'm waiting on it to turn around. I'm now down negative 35, and then I'm up $103 just as quickly, just in seconds. I just wanted to let you know that this only took 21 minutes, and you'll see your P&L after 21 minutes with only 2,000 shares and 2 trades. So we're waiting, and yes, we're still green on the day, and our dollar is fluctuating, but we're waiting for it to come to the level that we have established and are confident in. So yes, we're waiting. We're trying to just fill the time here by just looking at different time frames just to confirm our levels. Okay, even though we're only up $6, that's fine, because this stock has not turned around yet. And we notice now that the stock has gone up above where we thought it would go. We're going to adjust our sell figure, our buy figure, because now it has created a new support level. So we just want to get out on the first support, because sometimes stocks bounce and we don't want to be in it after that, because then that will increase our wait time. So I've adjusted my buy figure. And I'm putting in $3.63, I think I put in. Okay, I'm showing that to you. And that's how you set your limit. Your limit sell or your limit buy, whichever one. So now I'm going in because I'm looking at this, and this is MA, and I want to put in my VWAP. So I'm going in and trying to select it. And again, I noticed that it's hard to select your technical analysis because it's not clicking on that. But then I noticed that you have to roll the ball on your mouse for it to take effect. So now I got the yellow line, which is the VWAP, and now I'm trying to take out the MA line, and I have to click on that, come out, and then roll my mouse for it to go away, which is something that I'm not really happy with Webull. But hey, it's free, so and you can make money here. So there's some things you can live with, and that's not a big thing to live with. So it's fine. So now we're sitting on $55 on the day on PDSB, but we're still waiting for it to hit our line. So we're still holding. And now I thought I'd just go back in and look at APOP, and lo and behold, I found that it started falling and I wasn't there to get in. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to mark it in just to make sure that I'm in, because I see that it has a lot of room to fall. So I'm going to go in, and I'm pretty confident about this. I'm just going in with 1,000 shares, and that's fine. This stock is only $3.40 something cents right now, and I'm marketing it so I can get in. And I do hotkeys and I do limit. I don't recommend market, but there are times when I do use it. I have to be honest. I just mark it in just so I can get in if I'm confident that the stock is going to go in my favor. So here I am, as usual, drawing my my support line and my Fibonacci line. And again, having issues with this because you have to select the line, then put it in, and then roll your mouse, or actually the ball. And there I'm having again, it's not coming in. I had to roll the thing, and I'm getting it from the support line to the resistance line. That's the highest candle and the lowest candle. And I'm waiting for it to drop. So now I'm up $14 on that APOP, and I'm up $25 on the PDSB, and waiting on it to give me my money. So I'm just holding. I'm up 110 on APOP, but it has not reached my level yet, so I'm still holding. I'm down $35 on PDSB, but neither have hit my level. And just want you to see we're almost there. The ending is very exciting, and the possibility is there. Up $118 now on APOP, negative 125 on PDSB. Still not phased by that, because I know they're both now bearish, and I'm just waiting for them to hit my mark. And I have them now set to buy APOP at $3.18 and the PDSB at $3.63. But I'm in a position of APOP 1,000 shares at $3.49 and PDSB 1,000 shares at $3.95. So we're just waiting on it to hit our level. Now I'm up $160 in APOP and negative $255 in PDSB, still not phased, because that's a weaker stock anyway, and we're waiting on it to drop. So we're still holding. And we're not taking APOP because we know it's supposed to come down, and we have our line set. So I'm just trying to fill this space by talking. But I don't want to speed this video up, because I want you to see how this thing played out in the end. Now APOP has dropped to only green $70. I'm negative on the day. P&L of $5, not phased, because we know our pattern, we know our charts, we know how buyers and sellers think, and we're waiting. So now APOP $50, PDSB, we have cleared our negative of $200 and something, and we're now positive on the day, $24. And we're waiting for it to hit our level. So we still not phased, not taking profit yet. We're up $55, but we're not taking profit. And I'm sorry I didn't have a more exciting stock today, but the market has been very slow. Everything is just moving at a snail's pace. So these are the two that I found that had the best possibilities. And I'm sorry that it's moving a little slow, but if you're a trader, you have to get used to this. You have to sit on your hands sometimes, and you have to just take it easy and wait for the money to drop in your pocket, because all you're doing is moving your fingers. You're not doing any manual labor, and you're just sitting here waiting for money to drop in your pocket. So if you have to wait 10 minutes, 15 minutes, an hour, 2 hours, 8 hours, that's fine. You're getting money. You should be happy regardless. So now we're only up $15, and we're still waiting for this stock to hit. And now APOP negative 50, PDSB positive 69, still not phased. What I'm going to do now, I'm going into PDSB again to adjust my my buy level. And sometimes you have to do that, you know. If the stock is moving too slow and you sense manipulation in the market, it's just to just get out. So I've adjusted it again, and I'm now waiting for the stock to hit. So I'm showing you here that you can toggle back and forth between the stocks that you have here and you're working to look at them. So I'm looking at APOP, and now I'm going to look at PDSB. So yeah, you can just toggle back and forth. We're still only up $40 on the day, but like I said, that's fine. Still not phased, still confident, still positive. It's moving in the right direction. We're now green on both, so we're good. And we're waiting. So yeah, I recommend Webull because of the shorting. Robinhood is fine. It doesn't have a lot of information that Webull has here. But yes, you can still trade on Robinhood. But between the two, I recommend Webull because of all the technical analysis, the time and sales, the paper trading, charting. It's pretty good. You can see your windows, your working window, your position window, all of that. I like that about Webull, and they're not paying me to say this, but I just wanted to pass it on as information to you, so you can have a sense of what this is. So now we're up $109 on APOP and $25 on PDSB. Still holding. It has not hit our buy level, so we're holding, and we're up $85 on the day. And we're still moving, waiting for it to give us our money. $170 now on APOP, $65 on PDSB. It has not hit our level to take us out of the trade, so we're still holding. And there's not a lot of movements here. Like I said, the market has been very slow, but it's the life of a trader. Okay, now you're up $525, $220 on APOP, and $305 on PDSB. Told you it was exciting. Okay, so now we're sold, and we were actually sold on both. I don't know why Webull did not pull me out of that trade. So now I'm going in to see what happened, and I'm clicking on it to cancel the order so I can just market it out, but it's not. It doesn't seem to be doing anything at all. I'm showing you that it's not doing anything. So now I've just decided to just go ahead and market it out here, and that's when I realized that it already gone through. So yeah, we're out of the trades. It still needs to take it out. The working window has disappeared, and now the position window is still holding for some reason. I'm not sure why. I'm just moving my mouse so you can see. Okay, there it's gone. So in 21 minutes, you made $475, 2,000 shares, 1,000 share of each stock. Yeah, 21 minutes. So it's now 9:53. So yeah, that's how you do. So yeah, that's how I shorted these two stocks, showing you how to work Webull in doing that. Showing you how patient you have to be, I hope, on trading a slow market. And I welcome any comments, like and subscribe, please, so I can bring you more videos. And also, I would like you to check out my website, converttosmart.wordpress.com. And I wish you all the best. Goodbye.